Hello every YouTuber, hope you're keeping okay. Got a good one for you here today. Have you ever heard of a place called Euro Car Parks? They send these little what they call parking fines out, but they're not parking fines, they're invoices. And that's what they're supposed to do anyway. But with me, they jumped the gun. They sent us a debt recovery letter out straight away without even sending the first letter. Can you believe that? It's from Debt Recovery Plus. They're the back up like sort of Euro car parks, this debt recovery place. That's what the logo looks like, you know. But they're asking for 400 quid. 400 quid to park a car. Can you believe it? And haven't even had a first letter out. We've tried to contact them. You can't contact them. You can't phone them. You can't not speak to a human. There's an email address there, right? And when you send an email, right, they don't acknowledge it. They say that you've got to appeal against it. So when you try to appeal, right, I can't, because it's went to the debt recovery place. So it's stopping us from doing that, because they haven't sent the first letter out. This is why I can't appeal against it. So I've tried writing letters and letters and letters and tried phoning, and you can't talk to nobody, and they're taking no notice of me letters. So is this Debt Recovery Plus. They're taking no notice as well. They're not interested in talking to me or even communicating with me. All they want is the 400 quid, which they are not getting. Put it this way, they can take us to court, and even the judge, if he turns around and says I've got to pay it, I'll turn around and say to the judge, I am not paying it under principles. These are robbing people and they need to be stopped now. All they do is just victimise people. The bully boys, using bully boy tactics on you all the time. And then what they do is it's called money with menaces. That's what the law is, right? You're not allowed to do that, right? It's trying to get money off people when they don't owe it in the first place. I'm a disabled driver. I don't have to pay for parking, right? But my wife tried to use the card machine, right? And it wasn't working. What did they expect her to do? Run all over Preston to find out if the card machine is working? Don't think so. All because someone wants to park and they want to charge you 400 quid. It's ridiculous. These people, these blackmailers, need to be stopped straight away. The law needs to do something about these idiots. And Debt Recovery Plus, they're just in cahoots together. You know what I mean? They want that off you, right? They want to empty your pockets. No, like, regards living, buying food, paying electric, and do they not know people are struggling today, like with bills? And then they go and do things like that. Don't even bother sending the first letter out. Oh, let's just go straight to the debt recovery. What kind of people are them? You know? I can use some really choice swear words about them. I'll let you do that yourself, but I don't want to swear on YouTube. But put it this way, Dick Turpin had the courtesy to wear a mask. Euro car parts, swivel. Bye viewers, take care of yourselves. Don't forget to subscribe and give the old thumbs up. Bye.